Alright, let me show you something I built specifically for HVAC businesses this summer. So here's the problem. You're out on a job. A potential customer fills out your contact form, and nobody follows up in time. That lead goes cold, and they call somebody else. That's potentially a $10,000 job gone. So I built something to fix that. This is an AI automation workflow, and I'm going to show you two things it does right now. First, instant service request alerts. So I'm going to simulate a customer filling out your online contact form right now. I just submitted it. Now watch. You see those green check marks? That means the automation just ran successfully. Now, let me jump over to Gmail real quick. And there it is. The alert landed in the inbox instantly. That literally just happened in like 2 seconds. So now the business owner knows a service request just came in, the customer's name, their email, everything. And it's already saved right here in the Google Sheet. Name, email, timestamp, all logged automatically. Nobody had to do a single thing. Now let me show you the second automation. This one handles your follow-ups so nothing slips through the cracks. So let's say that lead came in and nobody followed up. Within 24 hours, the system automatically sends a follow-up message to that customer on your behalf. Watch, I'm running that right now, and do you see that? The status in the sheet just flipped from no to yes. The follow-up is sent and we are done. So that's the whole thing. Service requests get flagged the second they come in. Every lead gets logged automatically, and follow-ups go out without you having to remember to do anything. If you want something like this set up for your HVAC business, just shoot me an email or a phone message and I'll get you taken care of.